आपने कभी बॉलीवुड में काम करने के बारे में सोचा है?
I didn't think of it, but I did get an opportunity to work. I worked for Tubelight with Salman Khan. That was my first movie that I did. I always was artistic. Like I like to draw, I like to paint, I used to create craft things. So yeah, I knew that was my cup of tea and not studies.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम है वेद और आपका बहुत बहुत इस्तकबाल है लेट्स स्किल के एक और एपिसोड में। और आज हमारे साथ में हैं वो आर्टिस्ट जिनके मैजिक से चेहरा बदल जाता है। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, प्लीज वेलकम रुखसार, जो एक अच्छी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हैं। रुखसार, सबसे पहले आपका बहुत बहुत इस्तकबाल है हमारे शो।
Thank you so much.
हाउ आर यू?
I'm good. How are you?
आई एम फाइन, थैंक यू सो मच। सो रुखसार, ये मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बनने की जो जर्नी है, ये सफ़र कहाँ से शुरू हुआ?
So this started in my second year of BCom.
Okay.
So I wanted to actually become an artist because that's what I looked at for the future.
Right.
But my dad always wanted me to focus on studies.
Absolutely. हर बाप की यही ख्वाहिश होती है कि बच्चा पढ़ लिख के बड़ा बने.
Yeah. So he didn't want to want me to go into the glamorous world, but then I really wanted to do it. So then I started off from there because he didn't support me financially for the course. So I started selling pizzas. I started making bow clips for girls of the college. And I collected money that way, and then I did my course from another makeup artist.
Fantastic, fantastic. तो आपके अंदर एक इनर एंटरप्रेन्योर है.
Correct.
जिसने पिज्जाज बनाए, बेचे, बोझ बनाई.
Correct.
जब पहली बार रुखसार ने ब्रश अपने हाथ में उठाया, तो करने के बाद क्या बना? मोनालिसा बनी या कोई जोकर बना?
नहीं, वो ठीक था क्योंकि वो तो पहली बार था. तो इतना अच्छा नहीं था, but obviously I knew that I had to learn more from there. So I started learning even more. I started getting more practice. Okay. So yeah, practice makes you perfect. So that's what I did.
क्या बात है. मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बनना था या बस लाइनर ने लाइन मार दी और बोला कि यार रुखसार?
पहले तो मुझे लॉ करना था. I was going to get into law. Okay. And I also went to take admission, but then I didn't get admission because of my results in 10th standard. So I went for BCom. But at that time, another makeup artist called me to be her model.
Okay.
So because it was her exam, she was giving an exam for her makeup course.
Okay.
And she got me ready, and that's where I got fascinated, and I was like, this is really nice. And like, I got into it then. Yeah.
So that was the time.
Yeah, but I always was artistic. Like I like to draw, I like to paint, I used to create craft things. So yeah, I knew that was my cup of tea and not studies.
वो मेकअप ब्रश के पहले आपने पेंटिंग वाला ब्रश पकड़ा हुआ था बचपन में.
Yeah.
Oh, nice, fantastic. एक और चीज, आपने कभी बॉलीवुड में काम करने के बारे में सोचा है?
I didn't think of it, but I did get an opportunity to work. I worked for Tubelight with Salman Khan. That was my first movie that I did. So it just came to me because I worked with another designer, and she got me through to it. So obviously that was the first opportunity, and I grabbed it, and that's when I got into Bollywood.
Tubelight, भाई के साथ, सलमान भाई के साथ.
Yeah.
Wow. How was the experience working with Salman Khan and the other co-stars and with the entire crew?
It was really good because everyone really took care of all of us on the set, especially Salman Khan. He always asked us whether we are doing good every day. Every day he would ask us, are we like doing well? And he really took care of, all the spot dadas that they were checking on us all the time. And it was brilliant. It was very fascinating. It was something new. I got to learn so much from there, and we were shooting in Kullu Manali, so it was beautiful.
Location is actually beautiful. तो भाई के साथ कोई interaction आपका सलमान भाई के साथ में?
So the first interaction was on the first day when I went on the set. Again he asked me, how are you doing? And I said, I'm doing well, sir.
कैसे? एकदम वैसे बोला, how are you doing?
Yeah, just like that. And I said, I'm doing well, sir. That was my first interaction with him because we had to start the shoot. And then after that, I was sitting, in a tent. And he came over there, and then so I got up and offered him to sit, but he said, no, you sit. And he kept standing, and he was checking the screen and everything. But that was really sweet of him. And then after that, during lunch and every day we spoke a little bit here and there. But it was nice.
You worked with movies as well, you know, आप बहुत सालों से कर भी रही हैं, तो ये शुरू कब से हुआ बेसिकली? लाइक एकदम जब आपने बोला कि नहीं अब मुझे मेकअप ही करना है,
हाँ,
तो ये जो जर्नी, ये जो मेन सफर है,
हाँ,
ये कब से शुरू हुआ?
This started in 2014
Okay.
when I was in my second year of BCom. And because it started there, I missed a lot of my college. Like I
Okay.
missed a lot of college.
Yeah.
And it was surprising because one day my teacher came to me and she asked me, you know, to meet her in the staff room, and I was really scared. But what she did is she took me in the staff room, she made me eat lunch with her, and then she offered me a workshop with 35 students.
Okay.
And that's when I knew that I'm becoming something, like, you know, and I was also specializing in entrepreneurship at that time.
Right.
So I knew I was becoming something. And then this was all simultaneous, right? So like
Okay.
while I was doing makeup also and that also. And then I got my first order in which I earned quite a lot. And then I thought, yeah, this
Wow.
is my field.
पैसे भी मिल रहे हैं, मजा भी आ रहा है,
Yeah.
घूमना भी मिल रहा है.
Yeah, and
क्या
I
बात
taught
है.
so many girls how to be an entrepreneur rather than taking up a job. And I felt really good about it because I knew that I had reached somewhere, even though I was just in my second year of college.
मेकअप अगर आप देखें, how important makeup is for social media influencer or for on screen or otherwise in daily routine? How
Correct.
important makeup is?
So makeup always makes you feel confident, right? Even though you might be really beautiful, and it's obviously better to accept your skin the way it is,
Right.
but makeup always makes you feel confident about yourself because you
Okay.
obviously look prettier and everything on screen.
So-
Photographers can do a lot of editing with your photos and your videos, but makeup also adds to it.
Right.
So like contouring and highlighting and all of that is also very important on screen. So I think even daily, day to day, when people put makeup just for maybe office or to go to the cafe,
Right.
I think that also gives them a lot of confidence to go, through the day. And I think makeup is important in all women's life. Yeah.
मेकअप चेयर में जब आपने किसी का मेकअप किया हो तो सबसे टॉकेटिव सेलिब्रिटी या कोई इंसान जो आपको याद हो?
So I remember working for AIB when I was working with Tanmay Bhatt.
Okay.
And I think he was so much fun because even backstage they were cracking so many jokes.
Okay.
So I think that was the most talkative or interactive session that I've had with a celebrity in particular. But otherwise, I also focus on bridal makeup. So my brides do tell me their story, whether it's love or arranged.
right.
So I get to know a lot about my clients when I'm working on them. So yeah, I mean, there have been a lot of talkative clients like that.
अच्छा, कोई किसी सेलिब्रिटी ने बोला है क्या यार रुखसार ये गलत हो गया, इट्स रॉन्ग, एंड मूड थोड़ा उनका अपसेट हो गया, एंड you had to fix it?
Yes. So basically, this was for hair. When I'm also a hairstylist.
Okay.
Like I focus more on makeup, but I also do hairstyling. But so when I was working for this music video, I was working with Parth Samthan, and he didn't like his hairstyle.
Okay.
So he told me like, listen, I'm not like happy with it. So I want you to stop doing my hair.
Okay.
So I said, okay, fine. Like I'll continue doing your makeup, but let me try fixing it. And then I fixed it for him, and then he was okay with it. But
Okay.
that took a little time to actually, understand what exactly he wants. Because sometimes what happens is the director wants something else, and then the actor wants something else. And then you need to balance between both of them.
Okay.
So yeah. It is tough at times.
It is tough, yeah. But आपको अल्टीमेटली मूड तो सही करना ही पड़ेगा. Contour या blush?
Blush.
कटरीना का ग्लैम या आलिया का नेचुरल?
Alia ka natural.
रेड लिपस्टिक या न्यूड ग्लास?
Nude gloss.
अर्ली मॉर्निंग शूट या नाइट शूट?
Night shoot.
वन सेलिब्रिटी यू वुड लव टू ग्लैम अप समडे?
Deepika Padukone.
नो मेकअप लुक, यही और नहीं?
Makeup look.
Makeup look. One myth about makeup you want to bust today?
One myth about makeup would be you can make someone look fair, but actually it starts graying after some time. So people always, like, there are many people who want to look fair, and then they think that it can work out, but actually it doesn't work out. So people need to understand that stick to your own skin tone, because that's beautiful.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
You need to love yourself.
Yeah, you need to
ultimately. किसी आपके रिश्तेदार ने या फैमिली मेंबर ने बोला है कभी ये सब लिपस्टिक की दुनिया मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है?
वो तो डैड ही थे क्योंकि उनको पसंद नहीं था, बट देन इवेंचुअली ही एक्सेप्टेड इट एंड ही डज सपोर्ट मी नाउ. ही इज रियली प्राउड ऑफ मी. सो या
वन मैसेज उन सभी लड़कियों के लिए जो कहती हैं मुझे मेकअप पसंद नहीं आए या मुझे मेकअप करना नहीं आता है?
सीख लो. Makeup is always good to know.
Okay.
And I think you should put makeup daily, or even at least when you go for parties, because I mean, if you accept your skin, that's always the best.
Right.
If you accept yourself the way you are. But I think makeup also does make you feel confident, as I said. So try it, and I think you can, you will love it eventually.
But at the end of the day, you need to love yourself.
You need to love yourself.
Your own skin tone.
Yeah, you do.
और करीना कहती हैं कि हम सबको अपनी फेवरेट होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
राइट.
हाँ.
क्या बात है.
But Kareena also puts makeup, so yeah, makeup is required.
Makeup is required. Makeup can make you up, make your mood up.
Yeah, it does.
So Rukhsar, thank you very much for being here.
Thank you.
So ये थी हमारे साथ में रुखसार लेट्स स्किल के इस एपिसोड में, जो काफ़ी कमाल की मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हैं, जिन्होंने सलमान से लेके तन्मय भट्ट और आलिया भट्ट तक का मेकअप किया हुआ है. फिलहाल मुझे यानी वेद को दीजिए इजाज़त. इंशाल्लाह होगी अगले हफ्ते मुलाकात लेट्स स्किल में एक और कमाल के आर्टिस्ट के साथ. तब तक के लिए मास्सलामा.